Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you this GE 60 watt floodlight bulb. Yes, I could have this one. There's the insulator, it's a black insulator. It's got a medium base, that's what it says. Don't see anything there. About the bulb, yep, she's here. It's 60 watt H2, 240 volt. It's a GE C and D. There's the insulator. The bulb is I'm going to get my this fixture. We'll take use this. Now I'm gonna test this bulb, see if it works today. So there's the bulb. It's an IKEA bulb. Right. Yeah, I guess it's a medium base. And now this is a new bulb for my collection. Yes, I think you've recently seen it in a hotel. And they gave me it one time, so. Next I'm going to demonstrate the I'm sorry people, but you won't be able to see the floodlight turn on, but you will be able to see this light turn on. So you'll get to see the IKEA bulb switch on. Here we go. Okay, it's a very nice bulb. Yes, it is getting, I think it's getting close to the end of life now. There's a line pattern on it. It's a CFL bulb. So they have it, a GE 60 watt floodlight bulb. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys in another video. Wait, let's see if you can take a look at the filament. I'll have to use my now because I don't have a extra fixture with. I will use my flashlight here. My flashlight's there. Okay, USB. Battery, but we can take a look at the filament. Set the camera down. I'm going to get a small one to do so. You can't see too well, but it's a good light bulb, as you know. Floodlight do the job. And now I'm going to set this here, and that's when I keep it from now on. Soon I may get a fixture to put this in. And take a look at the bulb. It's like a heat lamp. Yes, it's a windy day. I think it's put down with the house, as you can tell. It's a very nice bulb. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Oh, it's one on the way. That's it.